Hello and welcome to the Adding Third-Party Content to Desire to Learn tutorial. The goal of this tutorial is to show how to integrate third-party content into the Desire to Learn learning management system. The first step is to click on Content on the top toolbar and then select the module on the left which you would like to add the tool to. Next, you will click on the Add Existing Activities button located towards the middle of the screen, and that will show a drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, select the fourth option down from the top, External Learning Tools. Now you should see a list of different types of tools and activities that are available to integrate into the course. In this case, we will be adding a Who Knew It tutorial. So in order to do this, the first thing that must be done is to click on the Who Knew It tool. After selecting the desired tool, you will see this screen which allows you to search and browse the catalog of all the different modules that are available. In order to add the desired module, all that needs to be done is to hit the blue Content button on the right side of the screen with the upwards arrow. This will present you with different options to add the content. Once the content is added to your course, you will see it here. It is a good idea to edit the name for the sake of organization and having a meaningful title for students. In order to do this, click the down arrow next to the name and a drop-down menu will appear. The first option, Edit Title, is the button that is necessary to make the change. After that, the new name can simply be typed in and it will be updated on the screen. That is all that is needed to get third-party content integrated into the Desire to Learn course.